boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have a song here from Kim Loaiza featuring JD Pantoja, and this one is called Incondicional. Okay, so I'm not a Spanish speaking person here, but yeah, this song is so easy, so we don't need to go over some lyrics and so I am pretty safe there. So yeah, let's start right away. We don't need any capo for this one. We have 5 different chords to handle, and mostly just 4 that goes round and round in the same order. Yeah, let's go into that later. First, the chords we have here. The first one is F, so that is a bar here on all strings on the first fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So that's the F. So next chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, next will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the A sharp. So you need to bar the first fret here from the A string and down. That means 5 strings from bottom and up. And the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. And what you can do there, if you want, I showed that in the introduction of the tutorial, you can just bar the 3rd fret here on those strings and kind of avoid the last string here, because it's probably muted anyway from the finger you use to bar on the 3rd fret here. So just put a bar here from the D string and down, and you're safe with the A sharp chord. Alright, so that are the chords. Now for the intro, we have 1 chord progression for 2 rounds, very easy to play, and then the rest of the song will be for another chord progression here. But let's start with the intro first. It will be F to D minor to A minor to C. And for each and every chord, you're gonna play 4 downs. So F, 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 D minor, D minor, D minor, B minor, A minor, A minor, A minor, A minor, C, 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 C. You play that for 2 rounds, this chord progression. So F and then D minor, 4 downs, A minor, 4 downs. And for the last chord C, you just skip that because that is a lyric part. So almost 2 rounds except from the last C, 4 downs for each and every chord, and that is the intro. And from there on, it will be a new chord progression and even a strumming pattern. So let's start with the chord progression we need. So it will be D minor to A sharp to F and to C. And that is what's going on for the rest of the song. Okay, so we will look at the strumming pattern also. We can look at that with the D minor chord, since that is the first chord we're gonna use. So 1 round sounds like this. Alright, it's a very common strumming pattern for this kind of music. So it's down, up, clap, down. So there's a short break after the first down, and then comes the rest pretty fast. So down, clap, down, down, clap. So down, up, clap, down. And then immediately comes the next round. Down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. So you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for each chord. And the chord, like we said, was the D minor, the A sharp, F, and C. So let's go a little bit slower for a round of these chords here. So let's start with D minor and go on. Let's go for another round. And so on. And guys, you know what? This is what you need for this song, and that pretty much covers it. So, Loaiza and JD Pantoja, Incondicional. Only 4 chords pretty much, and 1 strumming pattern. Can't be easier than that. So, good luck with this one, guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.